Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update weight graph in MyFitnessPal. So, MyFitnessPal app is actually a useful app that you can use for some reasons, even if you want to gain weight or lose some weight, and if you want to follow a specific diets, you can use that app and it will work with you 100%. And also it can calculate some things like calories, cholesterol, and the protein, etc. And also you can use some graphs on it, like the progress graph on the weight and some other stuffs. So let's dive in and see how to update your weights on graph on MyFitnessPal app. Sorry. So let's go and dive in on the app. So right here I already checked my weight, so you will be forwarded directly to the dashboard. Alright, so what I want you to do, guys, right here is just to go into progress. Just tap on progress, and as you can see, you will be on your graph right here. So you can just tap on the weight right here if you want to change it and see the other stuff's progress. So for us, we'll stay on weight. And then how can you change it? You can just go into this plus button on the top right and tap on it, and right here you will find your weight on the kilograms, as you can see. So you can update it, and also you can update the date. Alright, so and even take a photo to see the difference and the progress and after and before. And after that, once you're finished, you can just go into this check mark and tap on it. So as just like that, you can update the weights graph in MyFitnessPal. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.